up, everybody? I'm getting ready to make an easy peasy low carb personal pizza. I'm using Carb Sense tortillas. You can see it has 14 grams of carbs, mozzarella cheese, Barilla pesto, pepperoni, and here I have my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna go ahead and get this ball rolling. All right, it's time to get that taste test. Get one that can say real hot. See all there too. Ooey gooey. Now I did pesto for mine, but you can use marinara, whatever you like. It's hot, but I got to go now so I can finish. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for stopping by.